In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with your Mailchimp campaigns. This integration allows you to track and analyze your email marketing performance with greater accuracy, giving you more insights into your audience's interactions and behaviors. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, head over to the home page within your Mailchimp dashboard. This will be your starting point for the integration process. Navigate carefully as it's going to be your first step toward a seamless setup. Next, look out for the highlight section on your dashboard. In Mailchimp, some features or buttons may be highlighted to draw your attention to them. Click on the highlight, which you will find towards the upper navigation bar. This click will lead you closer to accessing your account settings. Now, as you're in the perfect position, find and select the Account and Billing option. This is where you manage everything related to your Mailchimp account, including integrations. Don't rush, as this may seem like any other menu item, but it holds a crucial component of our process. Once you're in the Account and Billing section, proceed to click on Integrations. Integrations in Mailchimp are essentially ways you can connect other apps and services with your Mailchimp account to expand its capabilities. This is exactly where you need to be to kickstart the linking to Google Analytics. After that, look for the Connect to Google Analytics button and give it a click. It's initiating the crucial connection we're after. You will be directed to a page that will prompt you to log into your Google account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions for the Google account you're logging in with, as it'll need access to your analytics data. When you see the login screen for Google accounts, select the Google account you wish to connect. For security and smooth operation, it's advisable to use an account you commonly use for both Google Analytics and Mailchimp activities. This step ensures you are integrating the correct analytics data with your campaigns. Once you have chosen the account, you'll need to grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions. This might involve clicking Continue on a few consent screens to affirm that Mailchimp can access your Google Analytics data. Don't worry, this is standard procedure to ensure that everything functions as it should without hitches. Finally, after you've clicked through the permission screens, the integration is complete. Welcome to your new, more insightful Mailchimp experience. You now have the enhanced ability to track the performance of your email campaigns through Google Analytics, allowing you to make better data-driven decisions for your marketing efforts.